So you're drinking it on a daily basis, more or less?
Daily.
Oh.
No, in the evening.
Okay.
I take it in the evening.
So you look so young, huh? You look
Life that has given me that youthful look also.
youthful look. Oh yes. Oh.
Aside from discipline. You know, yung
Discipline. You have a discipline already, sir.
Ano yan? One sachet?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon, sir. Or 1 teaspoon or
1
something.
tablespoon. With you use warm water na kaya mo.
Oo.
Kasi kung hindi warm water, parang hindi maganda eh.
Oo.
Yung masarap ang taste kung ma-mix sa hot water.
Yes,
So
nasarap.
that
Parang
boosts your vitality?
vitality.
Well, I will not say that it boosts my vitality, but it prevents illness.
Oh, yun.
Hindi ka basta-basta tinatamaan.
Yan ang pan. And I have been promoting this also to friends. Well, 94.
94 years old. My golly. You've been drinking that for the past 3 years.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
And then,
And you look so young now, ah, before.
kung nag-order ako sa'yo, para sa akin na lang. Kaya rin lang sinasabi ko.
Yes.
But don't worry. I said I have a secret, and if I limit my secret to 3, it will be one of them is Nutrolife.
Hallelujah. Praise
The
God.
use of Nutrolife is one that lengthened my life.
Yun.
And
Yes.
of course, the number
Lord
one
of
is
the Lord.
is taking
His discipline.
But the Lord will use you only when you are faithful to Him.
Yes. When you're disciplined with Him.
Nice. Testimony.
Yes.
So that's important.
Hallelujah. So,
Pero mo, we are 6 in the family, ako na lang buhay.
oo. So basically, sir, hindi kayo nagkakasakit mula nang umiinom kayo niyan.
Well, mula nung so far. So I'm very happy naman na you know, it's not only the discipline na tinuturo
Oo.
sa akin. Na-brainwash na ako sa discipline, but it's
Opo.
good. But the neutral life, basta neutral.
Is-
Kung wala nang neutral life, parang nagne-nervous na ako eh.
So you drink
Hallelujah.
that